IBKR stock analysis and IBKR stock predictions. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade. You know, I'm the only guy in this space that's done this for 46,000 videos, right? And it's taken me 5 years. So I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And most importantly, it's all documented. So Interactive Brokers was looking for a proper double break confirmation, which I sort of got, but then BEs got triggered. So that's plus 0R. Outcome to that, really. So ultimately, then it came back into my demand zone and started pumping, which I sort of missed. So all I'm going to do is just now try and reposition myself in some sort of a long opportunity. And that would only really matter, for example, if the price corrects down a bit and gives me confirmations. Guess what? If rules are not met, I'm not buying, man. Not buying. So all I'm doing in the meantime is waiting for rules. IBKR. I do have around 6 receipts there as well, but if you want to stay tuned, want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I'll continue to keep you updated. Bye bye.